Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I'm here with my fall colored shirt and a candle going in the background, and I've got my FabFitFun fall box for you. I'm super excited about this. I actually love spring and summer and fall. But something about fall this year is just even more exciting. I guess probably because the year is coming to an end, which we all kind of want with what's going on. Hopefully we have a better couple of months ahead of us. So I just have the fall FabFitFun box, and I also have add-ons that I purchased as well. So I'll go through the box first and I'll do the add-ons at the end. Please like and subscribe, it helps me so much. I'll link my other FabFitFun unboxings underneath, and I have a playlist with all my subscription box unboxings if you're interested. And as always, I'll link everything underneath so you can have more information on the products. And if you want reviews on anything, just let me know, and that way I know to try them right away. Thank you so much guys, and I hope you enjoy your fall and enjoy the video. So here's what the box looks like when you first open it. So just opening up this box, I feel super excited just opening it because I picked 5 things that I'm like really happy about. So the first thing is this Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting and Refining Serum. This brand is super expensive at Sephora, and I need something for my pores. The constant mask wearing is just not doing it for my pores at all. And it says it's good for you if you have issues with pores enlarged and clogged with excessive oil, and you want smaller looking pores and smooth, flawless complexion. My skin's super dry, but I think with the mask wearing, everyone's nose area is just getting super oily and hot and everything in the mask. So I chose this and I'm super happy. I think this is over the value of the box already, so that's great. The next thing I chose as well, and it is pedicure in a box, pumpkin spice flavored. It says it includes 2 complete 4-step pedicure kits. So it has a sea salt soak, a sugar scrub, a mud mask, and a massage butter, all for your feet. Wow, that sounds so pampering. That's perfect for a fall night in when we can't really go anywhere. So we're doing pedicures at home now. So I'm super excited about this, and pumpkin spice is very fall. So I loved that and chose that as well. The next thing I chose is this Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I chose this because I've already tried this brow gel, and I absolutely love it. It's probably the best brow gel I've ever used. I don't know what's in it specifically that makes it so good, but it's hydrating to the brows, and it just makes your natural brows, if you have bushy brows like I do, just look amazing. You just go like in upward motions against your brow hairs, and it just makes them look thick, and it's clear, so it matches your actual brow color, and it holds them in place all day. Reminds me of those runways where they always have the models with the really bushy, nice brows. That's what I feel like my brows look like when I use this. I'm sure they don't, but I just love it. So I'm really happy about that, and again, I think it's like $30 or $40 at Sephora, so super happy with that. Another thing that I chose is this Perfect Repair Treatment Mask. It's a hair mask. It looks a little bit smaller than I was expecting, but it says a bamboo and keratin fortified deep conditioning treatment for smoother, stronger hair. And it says you just apply on the ends to the scalp, leave on 3 to 5 minutes, and rinse. And it's also cruelty free. I've never heard of this brand before, but in past FabFitFuns I've chosen the hair masks that they have available, and they were great. So I figured I'll use it. My hair is doing pretty well right now because I haven't been dyeing it. I've just been trying to grow it out, but it is dry and stuff always with just styling it and everything like that, even though I don't color it. So I'm excited to try that. Next I chose as well, it's the vitamin masks. These are a moisturizing Korean face mask made with vitamin B3, B5, B6, C, and E to nourish your skin. And I think there is 5 masks in here, which is great. Again, I love sheet masks. We're all staying home a lot now, so we have lots of time to like pamper ourselves and actually use this stuff. So I'm super excited about that. It's great for a spa night in, and I chose this too. Last item that I chose here, and it is this stress reliever hair oil. And when you were making the choice, it said you could use it as a hair oil on your hair, or you can use it as a hair mask, which is what I'll probably do. I love to do like oil treatments and mask treatments on my hair. Let's see what's in this one. So this is just a natural hair mask. It's also vegan and it's 100% natural. Just a mask with different natural oils. This hair oil just has a bunch of different types of natural oils in it, and you can just apply it all over your hair as a mask or just put it to the ends. Usually I find that can kind of make your hair greasy depending on the hair oil. So I'll use it as a mask just for extra moisture, I'm sure. You guys, I think I somehow got mixed up about what stuff I chose and what stuff I didn't. Because I know I chose this. It's a little backpack. It's so cute. It's a cute little backpack here. The brand is Bot Care, New York. I haven't heard of the brand, but I heard it's a really posh brand. And I love the straps, how it has the brand on it. I was just wanting this for walking my dog so I can be hands-free. Also going on hikes or anything, you can just store things in it, and it's quite mini, and it's super cute as well. So I chose that. So I think some of the other stuff I didn't choose then. Sorry guys, I can never remember. And then I know I didn't choose this, but this is the Beauty Crop, which I haven't tried anything from them. It's a liquid highlight glow milk in the color Blind Date. So I love a good liquid highlight, so I'm excited to try this as well. So that's everything that I got in my fall box. Absolutely love it. Again, I would recommend the annual subscription if you can do it. I'll have the link underneath to save you, I think, $10 or $15 off. And if you do the annual, you just get to pick 5 items, which is amazing. Then you know you're going to love your box. So I'll just show you now what I got on add-ons. I only got a few things, actually. So I got 2 pairs of Steve Madden sock liners. So just little socks. They're white, gray, and black. So I just needed that. Then I got some Truly Clear, Truly Gone acne fighting little, they're almost like Band-Aids that you put on your acne to fight them. I've just been having more breakouts than usual with the masking, so I was wanting to try this and see. Then I just got a hair towel to dry my hair faster so I can use less heat on it. And the favorite thing that I got was the Sunday Riley CEO Serum. This sells at Sephora for a lot of money, and it was like 70% off, so I'm super excited to try that. And that's all the add-ons that I got. I'm proud of myself. I usually go way overboard with them, so this time I had good self-control, so that's good. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you're having a great fall so far. Let me know what you got in your FabFitFun. Take care, love you, and see you in my next video. Bye, guys.